JawsJr here for a quick rock hounding adventure. Starting off this adventure correctly. Watching a helicopter sprayer. But off picking up some agates. And haven't even really got out of the truck very far. And found those three right away. And so I picked them up. I dropped the tailgate. And I was standing here looking, watching the helicopter fly around, and I happened to look down, and I saw this. Look at that glower. So I looked over to my left. Oh, there's another one. Cool. And then looked ahead, and there's another one. And then there's something else here. Huh. This is turning out to be quite a productive morning. Normally we don't find agates that quickly when we first get to our little favorite spot here. So, hopefully, this will continue to be a good day. Well, it's a good day anyway. I may never find another cool rock today, and it's a good day because I'm out here looking. But that's what I'm going to go do, is go look for some more. Put these up there. So 7 cool pieces within the first couple minutes. Now there's a tumbler piece right there. I like the lines on that. That's going to tumble up pretty cool. And that's what I come out here for. Wander around and see what I can find for tumbling material. And if we happen to find agates, bonus. Where'd it go? Uh-oh. Oh, it's still there. So, yeah. I'm not too serious yet. I'll get real serious here soon. Oh, there's another agate. Look at that one right there. One's been broken, but that's fine. Nice chunk of red jasper. That'll polish up good. Okay, so we're starting off the day pretty good. I don't have much time out here today. But you know, I wanted to start the day off right. Get out here, wander around, seeing if there's anything that's cool to be found. And starting the day off rock hounding is always a good way to start. Is always a good thing. Well, if I find more cool stuff, I'll bring you back. Well, the rock hounding with an air show continues. The helicopter is still buzzing my head. That's okay. I'm still out here picking up some cool rocks. They're getting smaller now. That's okay. I'm still finding stuff. Kind of got my eyes want to be focused on the agate. I have found a few cooler pieces in There he was. Kind of fun when you're out here rock hounding and you have your own personal air show. What's this here? Oh my. Focus. There we go. Oh. That's an agate. That's a nice one. See, it's a good day. It is a good day. We all need to have good days like this on occasion. Huh, that's a pretty one. That will get tumbled up quite nicely. Okay, we got 2 tumblers, possibly 3. Let's look at this one first. Nope. That's not too bad, but this one here is interesting. Look at that line on it. Just for that pattern alone, I'm keeping it. Here's one to tumble. That's a nice shape for one. Yeah, that's actually in good condition. That's a palm stone, or pocket rock, or worry stone. All kinds of cool stuff out here. Nope, there's a small agate. I was walking to one spot and happened to look down. There it is. And I thought I saw something else over here. Nope, that's not. There's a little green one. I'll take the green one. Very cool. Don't see much of anything else. A lot to look at. A lot to look at. Walking along again. And what did I see? I seen something glowing. Looking around for other stuff. But nice carnelian. It's a glower. Doing pretty good today. Although the heat is starting to kick in, so I'm going to be done here soon. I knew I would want to walk over to this area here. We've got that one there, but let's go get this little one over here. Right there. And then, oops, shadow's in the way. Let me get that one there. Sweet. I don't see, is that something there? Yeah, I'll pick that one up too. The bucket's not too far away. There's one. Fun, fun. Well, we found, oops, that one right there. And I'm going to put it next to this little guy here because it looks pretty cool. They're small. They'll tumble up fine. Okay, it is starting to get really hot out here, and the smoke is starting to roll in. Let me pick this guy here up. So I'm going to let you guys go. Just remember, everyone's life's an adventure. Then there's mine out here rockhounding with a little bit of an air show. This is the Adventures of JawsJr. Have a good one, everybody. See ya.